Heartily welcome to Gurudeva online classes. Yes, what you are learning in this class? Yes, you are learning one beautiful chapter, that is multiplication, right? So day by day you are learning the multiplication tables, right? So those are very important. If you know, you are solving the multiplication problems very easily, right? So what we have discussed in the last class? Yes, we discussed about the multiplication of two-digit number by single-digit number, right? So in that we give a carry to the next place values, right? So now once again we will revise those by doing these two problems. So my dear students, come to the first problem, that is 28 into 2. Right? So already you know this 28 is called multiplicand, right? And 2 is the multiplier. So you always multiply the multiplicand with the help of multiplier, right? So first you always starts from ones place value. After that tens, right? See here the first one. So here 2 is the multiplier. If you know the table of 2, you are solving this problem very easily, right? 2 into 8. Yes, in the table of 2, 2 8s are equals to what? Yes, 2 8s are equals to 16, right? But in 16 it is a two-digit number. You always write only a single-digit number here. But it is a two-digit number. What can we do? Yes, this in 16, the 6 it is in the place of ones and 1 it is in the place of tens, right? So I am writing this 6 under the columns of ones and I am giving carry 1 to the next place, that is tens column, right? So I am writing 1 in this box, right? See here, the next, after finishing ones column, I will move to the next column, that is tens. 2 2s are 4, right? 4 plus this one carry number, that is 1, right? So 4 plus 1 it is 5. So write down this 5 here. So which is our product? 56 is our product, right? So now come to the second problem. 49 into 3. So here 49 is the multiplicand and 3 is the multiplier, right? So first step is you have to multiply the multiplicand with the multiplier. The first come to the ones column. So 3 into 9. 3 into 9. 3 9s are equals to what? Yes, in the table of 3 9s are 27. Right? In 27 it is a two-digit number, but it is a 2 tens and 7 ones it has, right? So I am writing this 7 under the columns of ones and I am giving carry 2 to the next column, that is tens, right? The next 3 into 4. 3 into 4 means 3 4s are 12. First write down 12 here. So 12 and plus this 2. 12 plus 2 it is 14. Right? So this is a 14. Write down here. So here I am directly writing the two-digit number here. Because next there is no number in the 100 place. So directly have to write down here 14. Right? So 147 is our product. So my dear students, so this is about previous class. So now come to our today's new concept, multiplication of three-digit number by one-digit number. So my dear students, so in this concept, the first one is without carry. It means we are not giving any carry to the next place values, right? So in this problem, 123 is the multiplicand and 3 is the multiplier. So first step is write down these numbers under the columns of hundreds, tens and ones. Already you know the 3-digit numbers need one more place value, that is 100. So write down under the columns of 100, tens and ones at first. So my dear students, in this problem 123 is the multiplicand and 3 is the multiplier. You always multiply the multiplicand with the help of multiplier. So and the next one thing is you always multiply from ones place. You always starts from ones place after tens and the next hundreds. Right? So first 3. 3 into 3. 3 into 3 means 3 threes are equals to 9. So 3 threes are 9. Right? The next, we finished ones column, move to the tens column. 3 twos. 3 into 2. 3 twos are 6. So write down under the columns of tens. The next, we finished ones and tens. Now I will move to the hundreds column. That is 3 into 1. It is 3 itself. So write down here 3 under the columns of 100. So which is our product? 369 is our product. Right? So now I will move to the second problem. 120 into 2. So my dear students, so in this problem 120 is the multiplicand and 2 is the multiplier. So first you always starts from ones place value, right? So it is 2 into 0. So what is 2 into 0? So 2 into 0, it is always 0. Yes, according to second property of multiplication, if you multiply any number into 0, the answer, the product is the 0 itself. So 2 into 0, it is 0. So now come to the next column, that is tens. So 2 into 2. 2 twos are equals to what? 2 twos are 4. So write down this 4 in the tens column. So now we finish tens. Now I am moving to the last place, that is hundreds. So 2 into 1. 2 into 1, it is 2. Write down this 2 here. So which is our product? 240 is our product. Right? So now come to the last problem, that is 121 into 4. Yes, all of you look here. So first already I wrote under the columns of 100, tens and ones. So which is the multiplier here? So 4 is the multiplier. So which is the multiplicand is here? 121 is the multiplicand. Right? So first step is 4 into 1. 4 into 1, it is 4. Write down here 4. The next, I will move to the next column, that is tens. See here, 4 into 2. 4 into 2, 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8. The next, come to the last column, that is hundreds. So 4 into 1. 4 1 is 4. So write down here 4. So which is our product? 484 is our product. So my dear students, I will show how to solve a 3-digit number by 1-digit number. So under the headline of without carrying. So here in this problem we are not giving any carry to the next columns. Right? So now come to our next type, that is without carrying. We finish. The next concept is with carrying. So my dear students, now come to the next type, that is with carrying. So with carrying means here we are giving a carry to the next column. Right? So first one, 125 into 5. Right? So here 125 is the multiplicand and 5 is the multiplier. So first write down these numbers under the columns of 100, tens and ones. So here 125. So which is our multiplier? That is 5. I am writing in the columns of ones. And I am writing the symbol of multiplication in front of the multiplier. right? So which is our first step? So multiply the numbers in the ones column. So that is 5 into 5. So 5's are equals to what? Yes, 5's are equals to 25, right? So but this 25, it is a 2-digit number. So here you never write the 2-digit number in the ones column. So what can we do? In 25, this 5 is in ones place and 2 is in tens place, right? So this 5 write down under the columns of ones. And the next 2, it is a, here 2 tens are there. So you carry over to the tens column. So I am writing this 2 in a separate box here because it is a carry, right? So now come to the tens column. So 5 into 2. So 5 into 2 means 5 twos are 10, right? So here 10 tens are there. So 10 plus this 2. 10 plus 2, it is 12 tens. It is 12 tens. But in the first semester already you learnt 100 is equals to 10 tens, right? Yes, 100 is equals to 10 tens. So this 12 tens I am writing as 10 tens plus 2 tens, right? So already you learnt in the first semester how to write this, right? So 12 tens I am writing as 10 tens plus 2 tens. 10 plus 2, it is again equals to 12, right? So this 10 tens is nothing but 100, right? So 100 plus 2 tens. So I am writing 2 tens in the columns of tens and I am carry over this 100 to the hundreds column, right? So now we finish tens column. Now I am moving to the hundreds column. So 5 into 1. 5 into 1, it is 5, right? 5. The next 5 plus this 100. 5 plus 1, it is 600. So write down here 6. So which is our product? 625 is our product. So write down here 625. So now come to the second problem, that is 319 into 2. So first you have to write down these numbers under the columns of 100, tens and ones. So look here, the first step is you have to solve the numbers in ones column. So 2 into 9. 2 nines are 18. 2 nines are 18. So but this 18, it is a 2-digit number. This 8, it is in the place of ones and 1, it is in the place of tens, right? So I am writing this 8 under the columns of ones and I am carrying over this 1 to the tens column, right? So now come to the tens column. So 2 into 1. 2 into 1, it is 2, right? This 2 plus 1. 2. This 1 is a carry, right? So 2 plus 1, it is 3 tens, right? 3 tens. So 3, it is a single digit number. So I am writing directly here, right? So next move to the hundreds column. 2 into 3. 2 threes are 6. So write down here 6. So which is our product? 638 is our product. So my dear students, now come to the next problem, that is 314 into 3, right? So first you have to write down the numbers under the columns of 100, tens and ones. So the next procedure is multiply with the multiplier, right? So here 3 into 4. 3 into 4. 3 fours are 12, right? But it is a 2-digit number. So this 2 is in ones place and 1 is in tens place. So I am writing these two under the columns of ones and I am giving carry to the next column, that is 1. Right? Next come to the tens column. 3 into 1. 3 into 1, it is 3. Right? So this 3 plus 1. 3, this 1, it is a carry. Right? So 3 plus 1, it is 4. So 4 is a single digit number. So I am writing directly here. So now move to the hundreds column. 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. So write down here 9. So which is our product? 942 is our product. Right, students? Now come to the fourth problem. It is 171 into 4. Right? So here I already arranged in the separate columns of ones, tens and 100. Right? So which is our next step? So here you have to multiply the ones with the multiplier. So 4 into 1. So 4 into 1, it is 4. Right? So I am writing 4 here. Right? So come to the second one. So 4 into 7. So in the table of 4 sevens are equals to what? Yes, 4 sevens are equals to 28. Right? So this 28, it is a 2-digit number. Right? So this is 28 tens. Right? So here we multiply the tens column. Right? So it is 28 tens. So this 28 tens I am writing as 20 tens plus 8 tens. Right? This 28 tens I am writing as 20 tens plus 8 tens. Right? So students, already you know in the first semester you learned 100 is equals to 10 tens. Right? So here is a 20 tens. So now you tell me how many hundreds are equals to 20 tens? Yes. So 2 hundreds is equals to 20 tens. See here. So 100 is equals to 10 tens. Right? So here is a 20 tens. So 20 tens is equals to how many hundreds? 2 hundreds. Right? Instead of this 20 tens, I am taking as a 2 hundreds. Right? So this 2 hundreds plus 8 tens. Now it is 2 hundreds plus this 8 tens. Right? 2 hundreds plus 8 tens. So this 8 tens I am writing in the column of tens, and this 2 hundreds I carried over 2 in the hundreds column. Right? So now come to the hundreds column. So 4 into 1. Yes, already you know 4 into 1, it is 4. Right? 4 plus this 2. 4 plus 2. So 4 plus 2, it is 6. Write down here 6. So which is our product? 684 is our product. So my dear students, in this class you learned multiplication of 3-digit number by 1-digit number. Right? So now I will move to the textbook activity. It is in the page number 81. So look here. This is an exercise number 1.10. So in that the first main is find the product. Exercise number 1.10. Right? So in that here are two mains, A and B. So this A main belongs to without carry and the B main belongs to with carry over problems. Right? So first problem already they solved here. So I am moving directly to the second problem. See here 212 into 4. 212, it is a multiplicand and 4 is the multiplier. So the first step is solve the problems in ones column. So multiply 4 into 2. So 4 into 2 means 4 2s are 8. So write down this 8 under the columns of ones. The next, move to the tens column. So 4 into 1. 4 into 1, it is 4. So write down here 4. The next, move to the hundreds column. So 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. So write down this 8 under the columns of 100. Right? So now come to the third problem. 421 into 2. So here 2 is the multiplier. Right? So 421 is the multiplicand. The first step is 2 into 1. 2, 1 is 2. Write down here 2. The next 2 2s are 4. So write down this 4 under the columns of tens. The next, come to the last column, that is 100. So 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. Write down here 8. So 842 is our product. So my dear students, I showed how to solve this problem. So remaining 2 problems you have to do in your home. Right? So now come to the B main. It belongs to with carryover problems. The first one, here also they solved here. So directly I am moving to the second problem. That is 340 into 3. So first step is multiply the multiplicand with the multiplier. So here 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. Right? This 12, it is a 2-digit number. But in 12, this 2 is in 1's place and 1 is in 10's place. Right? So I am writing this 2 under the columns of 1's and I am giving carry 1 to the 10's column. Right? So now move to the 10's column. So 3 into 1. 3 into 1, it is 3 itself. 3 plus 1. So this 3 plus 1, it is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4 tenths. So I am writing in the tens room. So now come to the last column, that is hundreds. 3 into 3, it is 3 3s are 9. So write down here 9. So which is our product? 942 is our product. So come to the third one. 229 into 2. So now, so first step is 2 into 9. 2 9s are 18. Right? This 18, it is a 2-digit number. You never write in the columns of ones. You always write a single digit only. So but it is 2-digit. What can we do? Yes. This 8, it is in 1's place. Right? And this 1, it is in 10's place. So write down this 8 under the columns of ones and give a carry to the next column, that is 10's room. So this 1 is a carry here. So now come to the 10's column. 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus this 1, it is a carry, right? So 4 plus 1, it is 5. Write down here 5. So come to the last column, that is 100. So 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. Right? So here 458 is our product. So my dear one, I solved up to 3. So next 2 problem you have to do in your home. So now it's a time to give a homework. So all of you pen down. So my dear students, write down, this is your homework. So 1 to 6 you have to solve in your home. Along with you have to learn the multiplication table from 2 to 10. Right? So my dear students, I hope you all enjoyed this class. Right? So in the next class I will teach you a word problems on multiplication. Right? Okay students, bye. Have a stunning day.